Alright, picture this. It's a sunny weekend. You want something delicious, a bit fancy, but not fussy. That's where my easy salmon quiche with a crisp salad comes in. Trust me, you've got this. Let's start with the quiche. I use a store-bought pie crust to keep things simple. Just unroll it and press it into a pie dish. Prick the bottom with a fork, then pop it in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. That'll keep it from getting soggy later. While that bakes, let's talk salmon. I go for hot smoked salmon. You can find it at most supermarkets. Flake about a cup into bite-sized pieces. If you've got leftover cooked salmon, that works too. Grab a handful of fresh dill and chop it up. It's going to lift all the flavors. Now in a mixing bowl, crack 4 eggs, pour in a cup of milk, and whisk until smooth. Toss in half a cup of shredded cheese. I love Gruyere or Swiss for their nutty punch. Add a pinch of salt, pepper, and your chopped dill. Give it a quick mix. By now, your crust should be ready. Layer the flaked salmon evenly over the bottom, then pour your egg mixture right on top. It'll look a little full, but don't worry, it settles as it bakes. Sprinkle a bit more cheese over the top if you're feeling extra. Back in the oven it goes, 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. You'll know it's done when the center is just set and the top is golden. While that's cooking, let's fix up a light salad. Grab some mixed greens, arugula, spinach, whatever you've got. Slice in a few cherry tomatoes and a little red onion for bite. For the dressing, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, a spoon of honey, salt, and pepper. Toss it all together right before serving. When the quiche is out, let it cool for a few minutes. Slice it up, plate with that fresh salad, and boom, brunch is served. It's creamy, savory, with a burst of freshness from the herbs and salad. Make it for yourself, or impress your friends. Either way, you've just upgraded lunch and made it look easy. Dig in, and let me know if you try this at home.